A normal cook. Everyone thought he only cook very well, but today he won the case. Everyone shocked to see to him to solve the case. So hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Daily English with Shatrughan, and today's story is Ali made impossible possible. So start the story, begin the story. So story was started in the market. One person go in the way and thief a thief stolen a purse. The person was went to the station and write a complaint about the stolen purse, and the policeman catched the thief and sent him to the jail. But the thief was appealed for the court and tried for the court, and the next day they both are went in the court. Also the owner of the purse, he also called three witnesses to call as a witness. So two witnesses came, and one have some reason, some problem, he could not come. So both are in the court. So then the procedure was started, and judge called to the first witnesses in the court box, and asked the first question. Tell me, what is the time the theft was committed? The first witnesses replied, it was day, my lord. It was day, your honor. Okay, then replied witness. And the second question asked judge, how many persons are present when was the theft committed? Means how many persons are present at the time? The second witness said, five, your honor. Five people are present at the time when was the theft committed, replied the second witnesses. And the third question was asked by judge, what was the color of the purse? Then the witness replied, white, your honor, he replied to the witness. Then he sent to the first witnesses and called to the second witnesses. Then second witnesses go to the hall, and again judge asked same question, what is the time when was the theft committed? Then the second witnesses replied, it was night, your honor. It was night, your honor. Okay. Then the second question asked judge, how many persons are present at the time when was the theft committed? The second witness replied, 25, your honor. Then the judge asked third question, what is the color of the purse? Asked the judge, and the second witness replied, it was black, your honor. The judge was surprised. The judge was terrible, and he said, you both are liar. You both give different answer. Who is right? Who is telling truth? Asked angrily the judge. Then the both are said, sir, we are telling truth. Both are said ki, sir, I am truth. I am only telling truth. The judge is going to surprise. He is confused. He has confused, and he postponed to the judge. Judge postponed to the case in the next day, tomorrow. The all things listen to the Ali. He was a cook of the judge house. Ali is the cook of judge house. Then he listened carefully all things. And in the night, when when Ali served the food to the judge, he said, "Sir, I can solve this question." Judge smiled and laughed. Judge smiled and said, "You are a very normal cook. How you can solve?" Then the Alice replied in broken English, "Sir, you are not saying I am just only a cook. I I have been cooking for you since 10 years. For 10 years. And I also can cook to the governor house. And I know very well how to make impossible possible." The judge see confidence in Ali and said ki, "Okay, you can try." Then the Ali said, "Thank you sir, giving me this opportunity." And Ali prepared. And the next day, all are present in the court box, and the Ali was presented by a third witnesses. The judge present Ali as a third witnesses and ask again those questions. And okay, I will repeat the first question. What was the time? When was the theft committed? Ali replied, "You can call day and you can call night, Your Honor." Then the judge asked, How I can call day or night? Then Ali explained, "When was the theft committed? It was day, light. But gradually, after some time, it's become dark. Because that is the evening time and sun meeting time. This is the ending time of the day, end of the day, sun meeting time. So, after some time, gradually it is dark, my lord, Your Honor." Then, okay, said a judge and asked second question. "Okay, tell me, what, how many person are present at the time when was the theft committed?" Then Ali again replied in smile calmly, said, "Sir, you can call 5 and 25. Then again, judge asked, how I can call it 5 or 25. Then Ali again explained, "Ki, when was the theft committed? Only 5 person are present, but after some time people came and together at a one place, then become 25. Gradually people are together and you can 25 people are together, so you can call 5 or 25. Okay, then again seemed to Ali and ask, "Okay, tell me, give me third answer. What was the color of the purse?" Again asked the judge. And Ali again replied, "Sir, you can call it white or black." Again, like the judge asked, "How I can call it? Explain, Ali. We are not understood what you are saying." Then Ali showed a purse. Ali showed a purse. In inside it is white and outside is black. Ali showed a purse. Outside is white, outside is black, and inside white. So to everyone, judge and to the court. Then the judge smiled gradually and happy and said, "Ali, you saved today case. Otherwise, I am in trouble." So this like Ali made impossible case to possible. So this is the story. This was the story. And what was your experience? You like the story? You enjoy the story? So give one like and give me one comment, because I don't know who is seeing my videos. So if you are right now here and you are watching my video, so please give me one comment. I want to see who are watching my videos. Okay, bye bye. We will meet in the next video with another story or any other English conversation. Okay, bye bye.